Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It depends on when you're watching this video. This is Miss Palomino from Highlandtown Elementary Middle School, number 237. This is Middle School ESOL, and today is Wednesday, May 27th, 2020. Let's get started. All right, so the weather in Baltimore today, the high temperature will be 78 degrees, and the low temperature will be 67 degrees, and it will be mostly cloudy today. So yesterday was Tuesday, May 26th, 2020. Today is Wednesday, May 27th, 2020. And tomorrow will be Thursday, May 28th, 2020. Our objective today is I can describe the order of events in the short film Coin Operated using sentences. So the objective today, yo puedo describir el orden de los eventos en la película Coin Operated utilizando frases. Entonces, les voy a dar unas frases que describen los eventos de una película y después de ver la película van a poner los eventos en orden para describir lo que pasó en la película. So the agenda today, we are going to watch a short movie. Vamos a ver una película. We are going to read sentences. We are going to write sentences. We are going to put sentences in order. Vamos a poner las frases, las oraciones en orden. And at the end, al final, we are going to text or email a photo of our work to Ms. Palomino, or we are going to turn in our work on Google Classroom. Es lo que prefieren. All right, so first, watch the movie Coin Operated. The link to the movie is in Google Classroom. The movie is 5 minutes long. La película está 5 minutos. So it's a short movie. So you're going to watch the movie Coin Operated. And the link to the movie is in Google Classroom. You will need a piece of paper and a pencil. Si no vas a entregar la tarea por Google Classroom, recomiendo que sacas un paper and a pencil para escribir los 12 eventos de la película. So these are all the events in the short film Coin Operated. Y yo sé que no van a entender todas las palabras, pero las palabras que están en rojo les voy a explicar qué significa eso. All right, so the events in the short film Coin Operated. Number 1, the boy walks with his mom and plays with a toy rocket. Number 2, the old man flies away. Number 3, the boy sells lemonade. Number 4, the boy takes off his helmet. Number 5, the boy sees a coin-operated rocket and wants to ride it. Number 6, the boy puts a coin in the coin-operated rocket and gets in. Number 7, the old man puts all his coins in the coin-operated rocket. Number 8, the boy presses a yellow button. Number 9, the old man presses a yellow button. Number 10, the old man brings all his coins to the coin-operated rocket. Number 11, the boy rides the coin-operated rocket. Number 12, the boy builds a lemonade stand. Entonces, esos son los eventos de la película, pero no están en orden. Los eventos aquí no están en orden. Entonces, lo que recomiendo es que ustedes escriben todos los eventos y al final van a ponerlo en orden. Esos no están en orden, pero esos son los eventos de la película y después de ver la película hay que poner todos los eventos en orden. Entonces aquí hice los primeros tres. So the boy walks with his mom and plays with a toy rocket. Number 1. Number 2, the boy sees a coin-operated rocket and wants to ride it. Number 3, the boy puts a coin in the coin-operated rocket and gets in. Esos son los primeros tres eventos de la película y con número 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 van a poner los otros eventos en orden. Yo hice los primeros tres, pero ustedes pueden hacer los demás. So, important vocabulary you need to know. Puse el vocabulario importante en rojo y ahora les voy a explicar qué significan estas palabras. So, boy, old man, button, lemonade, coins, fly or flies, helmet, ride, build, sell, rocket, walk, play. Boy, boy, old man, walk, walk, caminar, walk, walk, significa caminar, play, 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 significa jugar, button, 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 lemonade, 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 coins, 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 fly or flies, fly, flies, significa volar, fly, fly, rocket, 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 helmet, 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 ride, 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 significa montar, ride, ride means montar. Build, 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 construir, build, significa construir. Sell, 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 significa vender. Sell is vender. So now you're going to watch the movie Coin Operated. So these are the events in the short film Coin Operated. They are not in order. Estos son los eventos de la película y no están en orden. So one more time. The boy walks with his mom and plays with a toy rocket. Number 2, the old man flies away. Number 3, the boy sells lemonade. Number 4, the boy takes off his helmet. Number 5, the boy sees a coin-operated rocket and wants to ride it. Number 6, the boy puts a coin in the coin-operated rocket and gets in. Number 7, the old man puts all his coins in the coin-operated rocket. Number 8, the boy presses a yellow button. Number 9, the old man presses a yellow button. Number 10, the old man brings all his coins to the coin-operated rocket. Number 11, The boy rides a coin-operated rocket. Number 12, the boy builds a lemonade stand. Y si no van a entregar la tarea por Google Classroom y van a escribirlo por papel y entregarme por tomar una foto y mandármelo, recomiendo que escriben todos los eventos. No están en orden, pero recomiendo que escriben todos esos eventos así. Y después, watch the movie Coin Operated. Y yo puse los primeros 3 eventos en orden para ustedes y ustedes pueden hacer lo demás. So number 1, the boy walks with his mom and plays with a toy rocket. The boy sees a coin-operated rocket and wants to ride it. Number 3, the boy puts a coin in the coin-operated rocket and gets in. El vocabulario importante está en rojo y vamos a revisarlo una vez más. Sell, build, ride, helmet, rocket, fly, coins, lemonade, button, play, walk, old man, boy. Boy, old man, walk, play, button, lemonade, coins, fly, rocket, helmet, ride, build, sell. Ahora hay que ver la película. Watch the movie Coin Operated. Estos los eventos de la película, pero no están en orden. Ustedes van a poner los eventos en orden. Esos son los primeros 3 yo hice para ustedes. So you can turn in your work on Google Classroom, or you can take a photo of your work and send the photo to Miss Palomino through email or through WhatsApp. And if you have questions or want to talk, you can call or text Miss Palomino from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday. All right, I'll talk to you tomorrow. Have a good day, everyone.